I wash my hands before cooking. I dry my hands with a towel. I open the fridge. I wash the vegetables. I peel the carrots. I chop the vegetables. I cut the onions. I break the eggs into the bowl. I slice the bread. I turn on the stove. I boil water for pasta. I heat water in the kettle. I stir the soup. I taste the food. I open the cupboard. I make a cup of tea. I put the pizza in the oven. I get a bowl. I take out the milk. I pour juice into a glass. I set the table. I wash the dishes in the sink. I take out the trash. I clean the counter. I sweep the floor.